How to set up restrictions in business email account in cPanel. The restrictions are used to protect the business email account from spam, hacking, or misuse. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cPanel, this is the cPanel dashboard we see. To create a business email account, enter the Email Accounts section under Email in this cPanel settings page. To delete business email account, select the business email account first. Next, click the Manage button that you see here on the same row as the email account, which will get us to this page. Next, in this page, scroll down to the Restrictions section. Here, to stop receiving incoming spam mails, we can select the Suspend option. Next, we can suspend or put the outgoing emails on hold if the business email account is hacked or misused. Next, you can suspend anyone from logging into the business email account if there is some security issues or a staff has quit the company. They won't be able to log into the business email account with this option. Finally, click this button to update the restrictions setup in the business email account in cPanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.